This video is going to show you how to make a hold on books, DVDs, and materials. You can access the library homepage through the link on your CCS Access Manager. There you can find the library hours and location located at the bottom of the page.
And in the lower left-hand corner, you will see Quick Search. You can put the title of your book, DVD, or the author's name into the search bar. I'm putting in Design for the Real World as a book I'm interested in placing on hold. And it pops right up. If I'm sure right off the bat that this is the book I want, I can place a hold by clicking right here, the lower left-hand side of this record. If I want to explore the record further, I can click here, and place hold is now found on the right-hand side of the screen.
At this point, you will be prompted to log in to your account. If this is the first time you are logging in, you will need to use your CCS ID name, and your initial password will be password. After you log in the first time, you will need to change the password to something more private. If you need help, you can chat with a librarian.
So I'm going to log in, and here you can see that I'm prompted to confirm my hold. First, I have to decide where I want to pick up the book. Here or at Color and Materials Library, I'm going to click on Main, confirm my hold, and this is what you will see. Now, once you've established an account, you can also check a number of things. You can see what your fines might be, your personal history. This is even a place where you can renew books. Okay. Please allow 24 hours for us to fill your holds, and then you will receive an email stating that you can come and pick it up. Thank you.